Namaste. Welcome back to another tutorial video, and this video is about how we do a crow pose, unbalanced pose that when you practice yoga, when you go into the intermediate class, you will always come to this, or you do flow yoga. At the middle of the class, the teacher might say, let's go to your crow, and this is crow.
I'm sure you have seen this a lot. All your queen, you want to straighten the arms.
So how do we get into this? Before you practice this, the things that you need is to build up some core, some legs, and also of course this is an arm balance pose, so you need to build up some of your arms. Plank, full plank, and push up would be good to build up your core, to build up your arm strength, and also some chair pose and your Namaste of course. I stress too many times of the boat pose to build up your core, low boat. It will definitely help you to get into crow pose easier. Alright, so let's look into this. We are doing a full crow in this tutorial. And in later part, I will talk a bit about baby crow. So it will be a forearm on the floor instead of the palms. So palms on the floor is almost like your shoulders distance, okay? And keep your elbows closer to each other. It's like your chaturanga arms. So slowly place your knees close to your armpit and move your body forward. You'll be here. When you are here, you will need to push your palms, your knuckles, your fingers down. Start to engage your palms more, and then move your body forward. When you lift up your heels more, your toes are touching the floor still, and then you move your body forwards, and then you lift up one leg. When you feel you are ready, you can lift up another leg. Try to look forward, push your knuckles down again, push your fingers down, engage, stay there. And you want to squeeze your core, your tummy in, and then try to bring the hips high. You stay here for a few breaths, and when you come down, touch the toes on the floor, come back. And then you want to counter on the wrist. You can interlock the fingers, turn your wrist, and then bring the back of the palms down, push. Do some counter pose, do some counters for your wrist. I want to go for an easier version. I will suggest you to do something like this. The palms is the same, but you try to squeeze your knees to your tricep or your arms, then slowly move yourself forward. When you have more surface touching to each other, you have more balance. If you are facing the challenge on balancing, this would be a good thing, a good try. Try to move forward. It almost looks like a frog trying to find a balance. From the side, it will look something like this. Squeeze in, move your body forward, bend your elbows, bring the hips high, same thing, then bring up the feet, look forward. So when this is no longer a challenge for you, then you can slowly move in. Okay, your knees close to your tricep, or even close to your armpit. This will be more challenging. Forward, up, and then you try to squeeze in your tummy. Look forward. From here, you can straighten the arms to go to your crane pose. Down. Again, counter on the wrist. What is baby crow then? Baby crow, we want to work on forearm instead of the palms. This is for people who have lesser arm strength and you have more support, of course, if you do baby crow with the forearm down. I'll show you on the baby crow. Same thing, you want to measure the distance between your elbows, and you want to open up the palms in this way. Start to push your forearm down and push to the side. Then bring the knees up, close to your armpit if you can. Then same thing, you want to move body weight forward, and then lift up one leg and another leg. Start to squeeze your tummy in, look up. You may find that when you start practicing, your forehead or your chin is almost touching the floor. It doesn't matter. This will be something that you will face when you start to do some balancing. You just want to find that balance between the weight of the front and the back into almost 50-50. Then it's like a balancing scale. So your leg will actually lift up by themselves. And when you are strong enough, you are able to do both baby crow and crow. Then you may want to go into funky crow, okay? Alright, funky crow is one baby crow, one forearm down and one palm down the floor. So try, another palm should be almost the same level like your elbow level or slightly back. Then one knee or close to your armpit, another one on the tricep. Then you want to lift up. You want to look front. This is your funky crow. Just try any of these out and have fun. Alright, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so. Help me to grow my channel. And if you have any comments, please write down under this video, and do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Namaste.